Breaking news.
What? What?
So the flip
Oh my
did come
gosh.
into play.
No pressure, no pressure.
Alright, I'm defense.
Everything I heard. Holy shit.
So, oh, what are these?
Well, welcome, members of the jury. I'd just like to say this is a trial by jury. So if you manage to stay the entire time, your vote counts. I don't make my own deliberations on that part of it, but I will make the sentence. So you get to render if they're guilty or not guilty, but I get to render the punishment. Yeah. All right. Welcome, Sweaty Kulo.
Yes.
Thank you for being here. Sweaty X. Much appreciated. General Nup, thank you for representing the state media in this matter. Much appreciated. I can't wait to see what the state reacts to this. We have Tony. Holy shit.
Oh man.
Wow,
Oh my
this is
gosh.
good. Tony Hawk.
Tony
is
Hawk.
accused of murder via shredded.
Murder via shredded, okay. Alright, how are we gonna win this case? Because
Prosecutor Sir Jimmy. Why are we here? What's going on with Tony Hawk and what happened? What's going on? Tell us. What's
I don't, silly, I have no idea what to do with these cards.
So if you'll notice on the Tony Hawk official Reddit, there's been quite some buzz lately due to a video recorded by a fan in which that fan's grandma was sitting on a rail.
Oh.
And Tony Hawk was just grinding. He was doing his thing, you know. He must have reached a sound barrier or something, because when he went over where she was in the rail, it bisected her into two pieces.
Wow. Holy
Shit, I don't know what to
He
do.
was going
Please.
so fast he bisected a grandma on a rail. Damn.
If you've ever
Attorney.
watched The Boys, think of A-Train.
Take a look at my board.
Sure, I did. Holy goddamn. Gave me a
Clarify
hand
by
job
Reddit
behind
comments.
Applebee's.
No one
Amen.
reads the post. We are
Attorney
off the
Sweaty
record.
Coolio, what do we got to say about this one? Why is your defendant not guilty?
So yeah, so this voicemail he got turned to an EDM song, right? And he was trying to, print it out, but he printed out the wrong document, which then he shredded, right? Because he shreds every paper he prints. So I don't know why you guys saying murder via shredded. He was just shredding paper, like that was it.
So there was no grandma on a rail?
No!
It was just paper?
It was just that voicemail. It was just that voicemail he was trying to print, but he printed some other document that he shouldn't have, so he shredded it. Yeah, that was it.
Damn, it was all right.
Yeah, I don't know where the
Okay,
grandma
all
came
right.
from.
4K video on the Tony Hawkster's official Reddit would say otherwise, just saying.
I mean, there's a lot of people with some videos of this about a grandma getting shredded. But
And let me tell
guess,
you.
yeah, maybe it's a misunderstanding. Is this false news, prosecutor? What do you got to say about that?
I will say, I saw it with my own eyes, and the video was disturbing. She looked like straight up North Korean canned dog meat after he was done with it.
Holy shit!
Left in a lump
Wow.
on the ground.
Wow, that's yeah. There you go. Okay, all right.
And,
attorney. Oh
never mind.
well,
You're
we're just gonna go back and forth here. We're just one at a time. A new player,
Sounds good.
New player. Attorney Sweaty Coolio. What about the what else do you have here? What,
Yeah, so looks like we got breaking news here. No grandma's harmed.
No grandma's harmed in the making of Hawk's new EDM CD, says the state media. Wow. All right.
Yeah, see, so no grandma was, present. Again, with the shredding, he got a letter from the piracy website. He was trying to shred that too. So I'm not sure who this North Korean canned dog meat looking grandma is, but that's just not true.
Ouch.
Wow. Okay. All right. So we're still on the paper shredding track here, prosecutor. What else do we have to say about that?
Your Honor, one moment.
It's all right. Take your time. Take your time. Okay. I can't wait to see what the jury's drawing up. This is gonna be fucking insane.
I got you. I'm moving on.
Nice.
Your Honor, this actually happened at Santa Monica. There's a parrot nearby.
Oh, hold on.
This parrot to this day will not stop screaming, "Oh my God! Oh my God! I can't believe Tony Hawk did this to me! Oh my God! Ah, I'm dying! Ow!"
I actually have a photo from life.
Wow. Prosecutor, what else do we have here?
Your Honor, it appears that Tony Hawk left some Care Bear-themed bolt cutters at the scene. I would say this because his fingerprints were both found on him, and he was regularly known for using said things to break into skating areas that he could not obtain. So, just wanted to bring that out there.
I object!
Girl boss has a fucking point. All right, let's go.
Hold on, I gotta choose.
What do you got?
See, now, the only fingerprints was on a ticket to Brony, convention. And his skateboard. You see, I don't know where you got, the bolt cutters. I'm sorry, that's just wrong. I'm not sure who that was, but it wasn't my client's fingerprints.
Apparently, the attorney has picked this shit up really fucking fast, prosecutor. I suggest you turn up the goddamn heat. Holy shit.
God damn. Okay.
Right?
Your Honor, I would like to show you an Instagram post from Tony Hawk's official thing. His full cock and balls are out, and he is disclaiming "El Grandma, El Grandma, El Grandma," dated the same date that this woman died, approximately an hour and a half after her death certificate was received.
No fucking way. Attorney, I can't wait to hear this stuff. All right, what do you got?
Look, my client Tony Hawk just has a foot fetish. I'm not sure what you're on, but he just got a foot fetish over here. Yeah, naked. Like I don't know where you got that. He was just looking at feet. Maybe the feet is what you're thinking.
Full frontal nudity.
No,
just
the
saying.
feet had no
Still
socks
quite
on.
A bit of blood on his lower.
No, I'm not sure what you're talking about, sir. He just had there's no socks, no shoes, just a pair, just a bare foot. Like
Pair of dogs coated.
yeah,
in lady
exactly. Just raw dogging this shit out,
Yeah,
and he's
they're
just staring
coated
at
in
him.
lady blood.
And he tried to print them out
Slides
too.
right through her damn
He was so into the foot that he was printing them out. But because of what you're saying, he had to shred them. Like he had to shred them before anybody can catch him because the foot fetish is illegal over
so
here.
you're saying that you're allowing your client to plead guilty for destruction of evidence?
No.
Crime?
He's just embarrassed of his foot fetish. That's it. That's all he was shredding was the images he printed of the foot. Like he's just embarrassed. See now, are you judging him for his foot fetish? Because that is not a crime. That is not a crime.
That is not a crime.
Him for his open display of his foot fetish and along with his clear killing old lady stuff. I should say.
First of all, prosecutor, be so for real right now, prosecutor, because he did not kill any grandma, okay? No North Korean canned dog meat looking ass grandma, okay? He was shredding paper, okay? And he having a foot fetish is not a
He
crime.
was shredding the damn police tape that he had to jump over to get to the scene.
Okay.
No.
All right. Order the court. Order the court. If I don't see that Tony Hawk Pro Skater 5 doesn't have a pissing on grandma's feet DLC.
What the fuck is that?
Shit's so fucking funny. I'm dying. I'm so fucking dying. All right. I gotta like keep this shit going. Oh,
They
fuck,
got
this
good
shit-
real quick.
Yeah, you are
Real
a
fucking
natural,
quick.
Sweaty Coolio.
Hey,
Or,
man.
sorry, Sweaty Coolo. Hey, yo. All right. We gotta bring this shit to an end though. We're at like 11 minutes. Usually this shit's like 15 or under. So
Oh.
all right. Let's have the jury deliberate here. Okay. We have 2 for innocent, and we have Rip My Grandma Free Tony Hawk. Is that what that's it?
No,
My
it's a
mixtape.
take on
My
it.
mixtape is
I don't know
complete.
what that is, but
He's a rapper.
My mixtape.
It's a rapper.
Holy prosecutor, good show, lad, good show.
Oh,
Breaking news.
What? What?
So the foot
Oh my
fetish did come
gosh.
into play. He wanted to keep that granny's feet for herself.
Hey man, it's not a crime.
Himself.
All right,
I think
I
bisexual.
rule in the case of the state versus Tony Hawk for murder of shredding. I sentence Tony Hawk not guilty.
Yes!